In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero how to use Find and Recode 5 minutes. Find and Recode is a powerful way to correct coding mistakes in bulk, like changing the account or tax rate across many transactions at once. Make sure you have the right user permissions to access this feature. Also remember, recoding updates posted transactions, so review carefully before confirming. Start by signing into your Xero account. Head to the login page, click Login, enter your credentials, and then select Login again. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From the dashboard, open the accounting menu. If Find and Recode is in your favorites, click it directly. If not, go to the Advanced section and locate Find and Recode there. Either route takes you to the same tool. On the Find and Recode page, click Add a condition to narrow down the transactions you want to update. You can filter by several attributes. In this example, choose Contact. Type the contact name you want to work with, then run the search to display matching transactions. Review the results and select the ones you want to change by ticking the checkbox. You can select all or only specific lines if you're being cautious. When you're ready, click Recode. In the Recode panel, you can decide whether to change the contact or leave it as is. Next, choose the correct account from the drop-down to move those transactions to the right ledger code. Then update the tax rate as needed, again using the drop-down. Take a moment to confirm these choices align with your accounting policies, especially for tax. Click Review to see a summary of what will change. This preview helps you confirm counts, totals, and the exact fields being updated. If something doesn't look right, go back and adjust your filters or selections. When everything looks good, click Confirm to apply the recode. A few tips before you finish. If your list is large, consider adding more conditions like date or reference to refine your selection and avoid unintended changes. If you're unsure, recode a small batch first and check your reports. Remember that recoding doesn't change bank statement data, it updates how those transactions are coded in your accounts. That's it. You've logged in, found the transactions using conditions, selected them, and safely recoded the contact, account, and tax rate. With these steps, you can quickly clean up your books and keep your financial reports accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.